Hey, this is Erin with Freedom Makers Virtual Services. I'm going to walk through a few features that we can set up for you for your email inbox, and this is Gmail. So one thing that we can set up for you are these labels, which are very helpful for organizing your emails and getting them out of your inbox. So if you're looking at your inbox, you probably have hundreds and hundreds of emails in this main section. So one way to be more organized and take control of your inbox is to create these labels. So let's say you want to sort all of the newsletters that you get into a different label. So we can go ahead and move this over to newsletters. Now, every newsletter you get, you can tag to newsletters, and then you're going to see them. They're going to all start showing up in this label over here on the left. Now, other examples are, let's say you get a lot of scheduling requests. You can move all of your scheduling requests to a label. So let's take this email. We're going to move this over to scheduling. We know we need to respond to that. Here's another scheduling request. I'm going to move that over to scheduling. And maybe once or twice a day, I have a task that pops up in my project management system that tells me to go and check my scheduling folder. So I'm going to go through these emails. I'm going to respond to them. Now, another thing you might want to consider using is this starring feature. So Gmail actually has these really cool, they have a bunch of different options here, but you can see if you just click on this star, we can set up these different options for you to be able to change the status. So let's say you want to be able to track really quickly if you've responded to something or if something is resolved. That way you can go ahead and you can put a green check on all the emails that are completed. Let's say you have questions or something still in progress, you can change it to red. And then another thing we can set up for you is an email signature. So if you are just using Gmail, you probably don't have one set up here. And if this is probably blank down here in your settings, but we can create an email signature for you, get it all uploaded into here. And that way it will be on every email that you send and every reply that you send. So you can see when I go to compose, you're going to see an email signature here that's going to show up on all of your emails. So those are some ideas of how you can streamline your inbox to make it work for you. Hope this helps.